Greetings, this is Chemistry with Nav. In this video we're going to take a look at the oxidation of alcohols, and we have to look at first of all the classification of alcohols, which is that they are primary, secondary or tertiary. So a primary alcohol will have one R group attached to the carbon with the OH group. Secondary will have two R groups attached to that carbon, and the tertiary will have three R groups attached to that carbon with the OH group. If we look at the oxidation, then we are considering what happens when we add something like potassium dichromate and concentrated sulfuric acid, being our oxidizing agents. And what happens is we get this. We get the RC double bond OH, and that is an aldehyde, but we also get water. We get an inorganic product, which is water. If we do this with the secondary alcohol, we end up with RC double bond O, R prime, and we also get the inorganic product of water. However, with the tertiary alcohol, the oxidizing agent can't actually do anything, so that oxidation does not occur. When you take that aldehyde and you attempt to oxidize it, and also that ketone, the product that's made with the aldehyde is going to be the carboxylic acid. So you have the RC double bond O OH. This time there's no extra product. The oxidizing agent's just slotting in there, and that ketone does not oxidize any further. And when you try to look at the oxidation of the carboxylic acid, that also does not happen. So the oxidizing agent, I said, was potassium dichromate, which is K2Cr2O7, in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, so H2SO4. Those are the reagents. And if you are asked for the ions that are present to make that happen, you're looking at just the dichromate ion, Cr2O72-, in the presence of H+. Just remember that when you're answering questions about this, if you're looking at the oxidation of an alcohol, a primary alcohol, into the aldehyde, the method that you will use is to distill off the product as it is made, and you will add the oxidizing agent dropwise. If you're trying to make that primary alcohol all the way down and go through two stages of oxidation into the carboxylic acid, then you will use the reflux method and you will use the oxidizing agent in excess.